Oh, morning everybody, it's StackSmart here again, and thank you for joining us today. We're up at nearly 1,300 subscribers. I'm looking to try and make 1,500 by the end of the year. I did have originally a goal of 2,000, but it's not looking very realistic at the moment. So we'll head for 1,500. Thanks for everybody who's recently subscribed. If you watch the content of these videos but you don't subscribe, then please subscribe below this video, and I'll bring you weekly content over the next few months, and yeah, we can stack smart together. So I'm going to show you the charts from last time. I was almost I was exactly spot on. We had a capitulation to funnel edge, and then we rallied to 1150. I'm looking at the gold chart, as that's what I analysed last time. And yeah, we're in a little bit of this is like a little spring effect that we're having at the moment, where we're kind of unsure what we're going to do next. We've got quite a significant resistance here at let's have a look what we are here at 1156. As you can see, we bounced off the resistance there, and then came back off it. This morning we've started to see a little bit of a small bounce. So usually when we have these sort of patterns now and at funnel edge like this, so I'm just going to go out a little bit onto the daily, so we've got a little bit of room to run. So let's have a look. As you can see, I've put my 1131 in here at the moment. I'm just going to draw out the funnel edge again. Just get rid of this for the time being. Draw another. So we're still funneling. And so look at this one as well. See if we can get it. It was a bit tricky with this charting software on the lines. It doesn't always want to play, so often have to draw the funnel edge again. So as you can see, we're constricting in this little band at the moment, and the resistance here at 1156 to get through, and then another resistance at 1169 to get us further to the upside. The thing about funnels is they either capitulate one way or another. So let's have a look at what the height of this thing is. We've got 1072 top of the funnel, so it's about $100 from the top of the funnel to the bottom, and it's circling around this 1131. So what that normally tells me is it's either going to rally to this 1300 mark, put that one in, or it's going to capitulate to so look, 1030, so that's here. Okay. So where's my other mark? Looks like it didn't go in. I'll put that in again. 12:30. Sorry, the charts are a little bit slow today, unfortunately. So I think over the next 4 weeks we're going to do one of those two things. We're either going to drop to 1030 or we're going to rally to 1230. Now there is a way of trading this if you put your both on and then break, but normally in this sort of funnel shape we'll kind of get a bit of this type of tightening movement next to funnel edge. It'll probably cycle round a round number before it decides what it's going to do. So yeah, so interestingly enough, I've tried to predict which way these funnels take the price, but not always reliable at which way it goes, but it always either capitulates or rallies in a significant way after these funnels generally. So as you can see, this last funnel here capitulated down here. Let me just show you a couple of things. If I go out to the weekly chart, you can see that this funnel here capitulated, this funnel here capitulated, and we've got another funnel again. I know this 1066 has always been a significant point in history for gold, so I think that the Feds are probably trying to take it below that 1066. Certainly the funnel is showing that we're going for a rally or a capitulation, probably the capitulation after the end of this rally. I'm hoping that it's going to rally up to 1230, but it's very difficult to bet for the precious metals at the moment with them having such a hard time. But in essence, I think there'll be another buying opportunity around 1110 in the near future. Silver will do the same, and then we're going to see at the end of this funnel either a big rally or a big capitulation. So no, there's few of you naysayers that will say that that's not much help, but that's all I can pretty much give you on the charts at the moment as far as the analysis. If we have a look at the drill down to hourly on the gold at the moment, we're seeing a bit of a falling wedge type situation here, which is normally bullish pattern in the short term on the hourly. So anyway, I've talked about that for quite a long time. Silver to go, I've still got the monkeys in. There's 4,000 of them available at this price, so they're selling them £16.79 at the moment, and they have the owls back in stock for delivery in a few days time. Had a notification from Silver to go yesterday to say the monkeys had shipped, so I'm expecting my silver to come in the next couple of days, and I'm quite excited about that. I'm going to do a little unboxing for Silver to go, so get free delivery on my next order, plus for you guys that'll be helpful, I'm sure. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, thumbs up the video, and let's stack smart together. Okay, take care for now.